Y'all see the label Temu. I show y'all my little $15 special. What I got from Temu. Y'all, all this $15. Okay. I don't remember the individual price for each, but this is what I got. A girl love pens. A girl got the journal. These not just any pens. These pens have slogans. Never give up. Be grateful. You know what I'm saying? Give you a little inspiration while you're working. I love inspiration. Keep smiling. So you got like a pen for every day of the week. They're black too. They're black ballpoint pens. Dare to dream. Stay strong. Stay calm. Be kind. Work hard. Do your best. Just don't have my glasses. Make a difference. Great inspiration. Stay humble. It's one more. Keep smiling. So how many pens? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And this was one more that I got to take out. That I left in there. Believe in yourself. 12. Temu. You know, I just thought about something. Say if you want to make a quick profit. If you are an affiliate of Temu, or say you're just a shopper, you can really like sell these 25 cents. Or say if you want to sell them for $1. Man, that's a quick 12. How many pens I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, $12. You got to learn how to hustle in the economy we in. You know, so that's how you do. You get something from Temu. It's $15 just for the limited shipping. Just like if you just want to get something like the cat shop, it's $15 for you to shop. You know, just not $15 to shop, but $15 for you to buy. You can always, like how I do, I put what I want into my shopping cart, and then whenever I'm ready to like spend, it has to be a minimum of $15. I just go ahead and do it like that. But it be stuff that I really want. That's how I do. See, y'all can flip this. Y'all can get something from there and then resell it. Flip it up. Okay. I needed this for my ID. This is cute. I love the color and the pearl. This is like Chanel inspired, but y'all, it's cute. They got number 5 on it. Anything, y'all, anything just to brighten up your day. And I can do this here. My ID. I'm gonna take this out. Just that simple, y'all. Do this number here. Put it on. See? That's how we do. That's how we do. That's how we do. If you want to resell this, $5. See? Quick cash. And I got me some lashes. So how many pair of lashes I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 pairs of lashes. And it was 15 because I said in order to shop, in order to check out, you have to have $15 worth of items. So this is worth it. I forgot how much the the individual price for all of these are. I'm thinking, if I had to guess, I'm thinking these were like $4, something like that. You can always check out the site on Temu. You know, I think the pens were the most expensive thing. So, and these come like in different colors. You have like the gold. I got more of the greenish beige. Something cute. And then if I want to sell these, I can sell them. So, Temu, I just want to share with y'all. And then the shipping, I got this like in a week time. Shipping is fast. So if that's something you want to do, you want some quick cash, you want to resell your items, or you want to get people some gifts, y'all become a Temu affiliate. You know, Temu did not actually pay me for this video, but I am a Temu affiliate, and I just like to share different things that you can do, things that you need. They got all kind of items. I like ink pens. I write a lot, so you know, this was beneficial for me, just to get me some inspired ink pens at that. So just want to share with y'all what I have, you know, guys. Lifestyle blogger, for more of my lifestyle tips and things that I do to shop on a budget. Y'all check out www.aprilblog.online. I have stories over there, different experiences over there. Y'all go check that out. You want your lips popping? I got on one of my favorite lip colors, liquid matte. Guys, stylesforme.org. Y'all, you know, get up on some trends for the low. For the low. You don't have to break the bank, guys. So check me out. I'm also on YouTube, Blogging with April, Instagram, Blogging with April. Guys, have a great one. Shop and be smart about it. On a budget, that's what we do. Save some coins and have what we need at the same time. Goodbye.